Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Let's talk lips. They're one of the first things people notice, a feature that can define your entire look. We all dream of having soft, plump, and perfectly defined lips, right? If you're anything like me, your bathroom cabinet is a graveyard of half-used lip balms, sticky glosses, and pricey plumpers. You've tried them all, chasing that elusive dream of the perfect pout, but the results are always temporary. But what if I told you the secret to unlocking your lips' true potential isn't in an expensive tube? There's a super simple, all-natural technique that could totally transform them, making them smoother and more vibrant. Get ready, because the secret is lip exfoliation, but with a game-changing twist. Ready for a simple yet incredibly effective lip-smoothing secret? You'll need just two things: a clean, soft, bristled toothbrush and a small amount of raw honey. Yes, the secret to perfectly plump lips might already be in your pantry. Honey is a powerhouse of natural goodness. It's a natural humectant, meaning it actively pulls moisture from the air directly into your lips. Plus, its antibacterial properties help keep them healthy. First, apply a thin, even layer of honey. Now, take your soft toothbrush and with the lightest pressure, gently exfoliate in small, circular motions. This buffs away any dry skin without being harsh. You'll feel the difference instantly. This simple action not only reveals incredibly soft lips, but also boosts circulation, giving them a natural rosy plumpness and a healthy glow, making your lips look fuller, naturally. Now here's where it gets really fun. After exfoliating, dab on some peppermint oil mixed with coconut oil. The peppermint gives your lips that fresh, tingly feeling and a subtle plumping effect, while coconut oil locks in all that moisture. Consistency is key, so try this routine twice a week. It's the perfect balance to gently buff away dry skin without causing irritation, revealing the healthy, soft tissue underneath. The results are truly undeniable. You'll see a dramatic difference, not just smoother, but visibly plumper and more hydrated lips. This creates the perfect canvas, making lipsticks glide on flawlessly. Say goodbye to chapping and hello to a naturally juicy, irresistibly kissable pout. And the best part is that it's all natural. You're skipping the harsh chemicals like parabens and sulfates found in many products, which can cause more dryness. Instead, you're nourishing your lips with pure ingredients that heal and protect. Remember, confidence isn't just about looks. It's about feeling incredible in your own skin. This simple act of self-care can boost your whole mood. When your lips feel this good, you can't help but share your radiant, authentic smile with the world. So give this surprising lip transformation a try. I'd love to hear about your results, so drop a comment below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy beauty hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.